Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to do a chit chat regarding the Retroid Pocket 2. Because I had some inspiration for a new video and thinking, we have a Bluetooth connection, something we don't have. Or better said, that is not really common with Chinese handhelds, because this thing is basically an Android device inside a handheld. But with the Android and the Bluetooth connectivity, we're having some new options when it comes to audio. We can use a headphone. That is not a problem, but I just want to use something else, so we're going to test out some stereo Bluetooth speakers and a mono version. And maybe it's a fun way to connect to your amplifier if you have an amplifier in combination with a Bluetooth connectivity. So with Bluetooth it's just great, we're having so many new ways to connect your Retroid Pocket 2. Okay, so if you're using the Android part of the Retroid Pocket 2, it's very simple. You need to press the home button, otherwise we can't move the cursor. Okay, let's go to the settings menu, open up the settings menu. Here we can find the Bluetooth settings, where we can connect the Bluetooth speaker to your Retroid Pocket 2. With my version it takes freaking forever to boot up. I don't know why this is, but it is freaking slow. It really annoys me. As you can see, there is no option to do a quick menu. We're just going to show you the old school way. Go to the Bluetooth settings. If this is not on, you can turn it on and off over here by just pressing it. As you can see over here, my Bluetooth speaker is already turned on and searching for a connection. You can see it is going to get recognized. Press A again and it will be connected to the Bluetooth speaker. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you need to connect your Bluetooth controller or Bluetooth speaker on the Retroid Pocket. It's very simple. Hold the home button. And now we're going to get into the extra menu over here. So the next thing you need to do is going to handheld settings, press A. As you can see here, we have all the options for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. When you go into the Bluetooth options, it is highly possible that this thing is disabled. So pressing left or right, you can enable it and disable it. Then go to connect Bluetooth devices, press A again. And as you can see here, we're having some different devices already set up for this video. Okay, in my case, I'm going to go power on the Bluetooth speaker. And as you can see over here, it's going to get recognized. If you want to connect it, just press A normally and you can connect it. I'm going to show you now. Okay, let's remove this. Connect it again. And as you can see, that's the only thing that you need to do in the Retroid Pocket menu. Okay, so let's do a little bit side-by-side comparison with the original speakers, the mono speaker and the stereo speakers. I did notice with this game I had some lag in the audio, but it's more a problem with the emulator itself. So with the Retroid Pocket 2, because it's an Android device, you can do so many cool things with the Bluetooth connection. And for example, with this video you can hook up a Bluetooth speaker. So it depends of course what kind of money you're going to spend on the device, and I mean with the device with the Bluetooth speakers of course. I've shown you the stereo speakers. They have a very nice stereo effect and it worked perfectly with the Bluetooth connection. When playing Marvel vs. Capcom, I did notice left and right channel. Then we're having the, let's say more like the mono speaker. It sounds great. It has a little bit more bass, but I'm missing out the stereo effect. I just want to do a quick comparison. If you're having, let's say, a Bluetooth device in your amplifier with a great stereo sound or a Dolby surround system, you can basically hook this thing up to your Dolby surround. With Bluetooth, you can do so many cool things. So I just wanted to give you more like an inspiration video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and become a Wicked family. And I will see you in the next video.